Hello, we are Team GrowFish, and we are solving challenge number 8 for the Fishackathon. Aquaculture has grown rapidly at an average of 6% over the last decade. Global seafood production is currently 170 million tons, and aquaculture accounts for nearly half of this total production. The industry also provides jobs and livelihoods to about 1 billion people, mostly in developing countries. A growing global population will continue driving expansion. However, the sustainability and growth of aquaculture relies upon a steady supply of feed ingredients, and these account for 60% of production costs. Two major feed ingredients are fish meal and fish oil. Reliance on naturally limited wild fish stocks for fish meal and fish oil is not only unsustainable, but presents a bottleneck in growth for the aquaculture industry. A major challenge is that many farmed species consume more fish protein than they produce. Alternatives must be found, and they must fulfill the nutritional requirements of the farm species while being cost-effective and environmentally friendly. To tackle this challenge, we developed a farmer-friendly app called GrowFish. GrowFish allows farmers to formulate farm species diets based on industry standards and then substitute feed ingredients available in their region. You can start by selecting your region, then culture species, and its life stage. Based on these, the app will determine the current feed composition and display it on a drop-down menu. The user can then select the feed item they would like to replace, activating the main panel. The main panel is composed of 3 drop-down menus with alternative marine and land-based ingredients that can replace the selected feed item. The user begins the modification process by reducing the proportion of the feed ingredient to replace and increasing the proportion of the alternative. This produces 3 figures that demonstrate the changes from the baseline to the modified diet. The first figure shows the effects on nutrition, which can be presented by major nutrient group or in detail focusing on proteins or fatty acids. The environmental figure presents the life cycle environmental impacts of producing these feed ingredients. Ingredient modification can cause changes to land use, energy use, and carbon footprints of feeds. We also display the changes in fish in, fish out ratio as an important industry measure of efficiency. Finally, we present the changes in the cost of the feed. This is important to ensure the modified feed is economically feasible for the farmer. This app computes the alternative diet's nutritional composition, environmental impacts, and production costs. Farmers can thus make informed decisions to minimize their environmental impacts without incurring additional costs or compromising the nutritional quality of the feed. This tool has the power to foster transition to a more sustainable aquaculture future.
Created using Powtoon.